Your prototype worked, so why did it fail to scale? These are some of the common mistakes keeping great designs from making it to market. 1. Lab design versus real-world manufacturing. Great projects typically come with tight deadlines, and coming up with a quick design in the lab may get you through the demo, but in the market, your system has to survive noise, heat, wear, regulations, and long-term reliability. 2. Hidden cost traps. Hidden cost traps are lying all around. Software capacity, hardware reliability, ratings, and certifications you never budgeted for. By the time these issues show up, fixing them is expensive and sometimes impossible without a full redesign. 3. Scalability. Putting together a proof of concept is one thing, but to produce thousands of units, your design will face varying assembly conditions. This means extensive documentation, assembly access, and ensured supply chain longevity. If a critical part goes end of life, your launch can stop overnight. This is why experienced teams design for manufacturing early, thinking about cost, compliance, reliability, and assembly from day one. To learn more key insights into bringing your systems from prototype to market, read the full article linked in the description.